I'm pleased to welcome you here today to the Paddy's Run, which is a part of the backbone of Louisville's flood protection infrastructure. We're excited to formally commence an approximately $230 million project to replace this facility and upgrade the protection it provides to the community. This is a much needed investment in Louisville, and particularly West Louisville, as this facility at Paddy's Run is a 70-year-old facility, and it runs on its original parts built back in 1950.
This crucial piece of infrastructure has protected Louisvillians across 40 neighborhoods, reducing the risk of flooding for more than 60,000 Kentuckians. The leaders here today share a common belief that the citizens of West Louisville deserve the best.
The replacement project we are beginning today will more than double the existing pumping capacity of the flood pump station, from the current of 875 million gallons per day to the projected 1.9 billion gallons per day. The completion of this new modern facility will also deliver a measure of environmental justice to the predominantly black neighborhoods of West Louisville, delivering on one of MSD's core values of equity and justice. In addition, our project here will further benefit the neighborhood through our community benefits program. When we pursue large capital projects like this, we encourage our engineering and our construction partners to use their resources to make a positive impact on the neighborhood where the work is taking place. We also have placed guidelines for our construction contractors to provide a preference for local labor and specific targets for minority representation among subcontractors. It is projected this project will create 400 construction jobs in all sorts of labor craft areas, and 70% of those jobs will be deemed as local labor.
This is phenomenal. This is my district, District 1. My constituents are extremely happy to have something like this here. So I'd like to say congratulations to MSD and thank you, everyone.